What's happening, y'all? I'm gonna give y'all the weekly portfolio update. First and foremost, I'm gonna go over the stock that could 10x. I already own this stock. It's a great stock. So I'm gonna give y'all the stock that I think could 10x. I'm gonna give y'all the portfolio update, what direction I think the market is gonna go. And I'm gonna also give you a potential swing trade for next week. I gave y'all a swing trade for last week. Remember, I was talking about NVIDIA on my last week on how to leverage your investment. So this is when I called it. At that point, I was already in the NVIDIA trade. That was a double bottom, right? So I was already in the trade at that point, a significant amount of profits, right? But if we go to NVIDIA and see what it has done, just to confirm the trade, as y'all can see, NVIDIA exploded. NVIDIA took off from that double bottom. Hold on, where you went, NVIDIA? NVIDIA literally took off. So we entered on that first green candle breaking the neckline, and I got out at this top red candle because I seen how extended it was, how far outside of the Bollinger Band it was. So if we look at profits, for the week, let me pull up the portfolio. So looking at profits for the week, as you can see, we are up $4,000 last week. If we go to the NVIDIA trade, NVIDIA paid the bills last week, for real, for real. And this is the importance of learning the markets, not just long-term investing, but if you could understand swing trading, it would be extremely beneficial. So NVIDIA, where we at? So it was this one here. We got how much was it in profit? I don't know. I think it was like 4,000 in profit, but that NVIDIA swing trade went crazy. It went crazy. And also on NVIDIA, we are up $734 on 12.5 shares. Y'all know how much I love NVIDIA. I will keep buying NVIDIA. But we gonna go to the stock that I think can 10x. We already own this stock, SoundHound AI. We're already up almost double. My average is 11.4. I think I bought it at 10. We almost at 21. So we up 53%. I like SoundHound AI. They're making a lot of profits. Their AI voice. So they're going to replace people in the drive-through and when you call a receptionist and stuff like that, it's going to replace those workers. They have a lot of contracts out already, and they crushed earnings. So that was what the title was based on, was really SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI is my favorite penny stock out of all of them, and I'm holding that one. So I also want to give you my two favorite Mag 7 stocks that I think are going to do great in the near future. I like Amazon. Amazon is my favorite Mag 7 stock in the near future. I feel like it has some catching up to do. So Amazon Amazon year to date is only up 10%. So I like Amazon in the near future to explode. There is another one. Of course, I like Taiwan Semiconductor, one of my favorite stocks that I don't own. I did also pick up Adobe. As y'all could see, I picked up Adobe. I'm down on it, but I like Adobe. Their gross profit margins are high and they're down year to date, right? One stock I like a lot was Next Tracker. What they do is they do like solar device stuff like that. Like so this is back when I recommended it on IG. When I recommended solar or Next Tracker on IG, it looked like it was like $71. Let me go back. It looked like it was like $71. Let me Yeah, Next Tracker was $71 when I recommended it on IG. Let's see what Next Tracker looks like now. And I still like the stock, to be real. I still like the stock, but I let it get away from me. Like these past 3 months, it's up 75%. Hold on, let me show y'all. It's up 75% in the past 3 months. It's $101 now. I wanted the stock. You know what I'm saying? But I still think it's a good buy. Was it better to buy it when I recommended it on IG? Yes, it was. Okay, we're gonna go into this portfolio a little bit. Um, year to date, we up. Let's see, year to date, we up. To be honest, my next purchase, I'm buying more Nvidia and Solana. That's what I'm looking at next. But year to date, we up 29%. The S&P year to date is probably up like 15. So we killing the market year to date. Let's go. I don't know. Let's say like 3 months. Let's see. Let's see what 3 months talk about. So the past 3 months, our portfolio is up. And remember, I was able to do that swing trade off of margin. I borrowed against my portfolio to do the swing trade. 3 months, we up 113%, right? We up 113% in 3 months. Let's see what the S&P 500 is up in 3 months. So as you can see, it is possible to beat the S&P 500, and that's what this segment is about, is to teach y'all how to beat the S&P 500. So I'm up 100+%. S&P 500 is up 9%, 3 months. So Next Tracker, I really like. Amazon, and I forgot the other stock, to be honest, but Amazon and another stock I really like. I'm gonna go in here and find it for y'all real quick. Amazon and Apple are my two favorite Mag 7 stocks for the remainder of the year. So we got Next Tracker, SoundHound AI, Amazon, and Apple are two must buys for the end of the year. Of course, you want to buy Solana as well, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Last but not least, we're going to go into the chart. We're going to look at the fear and greed index and see if we could get a little bit of direction, right? The fear and greed index says we are still fearful, which means that we got potential for the market to continue going up. I like it. Now I'm gonna pull up the chart. I saw something swing trade worthy that I like. So we gonna look at it together. Monday will really determine if I decide to do this swing trade or not, right? Now, there's a couple reasons why I like Robinhood for the swing trade, right? So if you look, I see a cup and handle, pattern. Um, if you look, the cup is here, the bottom of the cup, and then the handle is over here. So of course, once we break that top, it would be a confirmed cup and handle. Let me pull up on Google what a cup and handle looks like. And what I want y'all to start doing, if you are trading or swing trading, I want y'all to start pulling up your chart on the chat GPT or perplexity and asking it if it confirms, like, is this a cup and handle, right? But a cup and handle is basically like two cups. And then once it breaks that peak of the cup, then it's a confirmed cup and handle. So we're looking at Robinhood as the potential cup and handle. If we go to Robinhood, so we got a nice cup and handle on Robinhood. The 9-day moving average is moving upwards, and the MACD is switching up to green with fear in the market. I feel pretty good about Robinhood as a swing trade, but it has to confirm to break that top first. So we got Robinhood for the swing trade. Y'all see we killing the market. Stocks that I really like, the 10x stock, SoundHound AI. I really like Next Tracker, Amazon, and of course you could buy Nvidia till the wheels fall off. I gave y'all stocks, I gave y'all the portfolio update, and I gave y'all a swing trade. Y'all like and subscribe.